Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the incredible power hiding in your own garden. Imagine having a natural pharmacy right outside your door. It's easier than you think. We're going to explore 5 amazing herbs that can heal, energize, and calm you down, and I'll show you exactly how to use them. So let's get our hands dirty and start with a classic favorite, mint. This isn't just for garnishing your drinks. Mint is a powerhouse for your digestive system. Feeling a bit bloated or have a nagging headache? Simply pluck a few fresh leaves, give them a gentle crush to release their oils, and steep them in hot water. In just a few minutes, you have a soothing tea that works wonders. It's a simple, refreshing remedy that's been trusted for centuries. Next up, we have the wonderfully fragrant lemon balm. Just its citrusy scent is enough to lift your spirits. Lemon balm is nature's answer to a stressful day. It's renowned for its ability to calm the mind and ease anxiety. You can dry the leaves for a more concentrated flavor, crumble them into a mug, and let the hot water work its magic. Sipping on this gentle tea can help you unwind after a long day and promote a more restful sleep. Now, let's talk about basil. You probably love it in your pesto, but did you know it can also be a fantastic wellness tea? Basil is an adaptogenic herb, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. It's also known to sharpen focus and fight inflammation naturally. Just like the others, a simple infusion with hot water releases its beneficial compounds. The aromatic steam alone feels therapeutic, making it a perfect pick-me-up for your mind and body during a busy afternoon. Moving on to a truly robust and aromatic herb, rosemary. This woody evergreen is more than just a culinary delight for roasts. A warm cup of rosemary tea is an excellent way to start your day. It's known to energize your system and support memory and cognitive function. Think of it as your natural morning coffee substitute. One that invigorates your senses and clears your head without the jitters. It's a perfect fragrant boost for those sluggish mornings. Last but certainly not least, we have thyme. This delicate-looking herb packs a mighty punch when it comes to your health. Thyme is a fantastic immune supporter and a go-to remedy for soothing coughs and sore throats. Crushing the leaves and steeping them creates a potent, warming brew. For an extra soothing effect, you can add a small drizzle of honey. It's an easy, comforting, and effective way to support your body's defenses, especially during colder months. So there you have it, 5 incredible herbs you can easily grow and use. Mint for digestion, lemon balm for calm, basil for focus, rosemary for energy, and thyme for immunity. You can grow them in pots, on a windowsill, or in your garden. Grow it, use it, heal yourself naturally. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more natural wellness tips. See you next time.